Well, we carried that over with our plasmas, and I think without a doubt you can see it's a very, very heavy machine. The best part of our unit is, I believe, is our handheld controller. This allows you to have everything in your hand. You don't have to go looking. Your operator doesn't have to look for another console. He's got everything right here. When he's ready to cut, he simply selects the material that he wants to cut. And we'll just say that he's cutting, well, we have some half-inch, so we can kind of walk you through this half-inch show here. I'm going to select the process. I'm going to select the shielded consumable. And I know that I have a 30 amp consumable in there. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and cut half-inch material. So I select half-inch. Okay, I'm ready to cut. The operator, all he has to do now is do one of two things. He can check to make sure all of his components are ready to go. So he simply goes to the parameters, 2D, selects that, and as you can see, your feed rate, your pierce heights, your cut heights, everything is preset for you. So the operator doesn't have to think about, well, how fast do I want to go? How slow do I want to go? He simply selects the process, selects the consumable, and selects the material size. He does have the option to change that if he wants to, but we also have the option to lock that out so they can't change it depending on the condition of your company. Also, here's your DNC button. This, once I get out of this, that is where all your files will be kept. Depending on part number, nomenclature, depending on what you want. It allows your operator to scroll through as many files as possible that he's got on that particular folder. In this particular case, we'll select just a file of, say, HD coupon, which is a. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to move my gantry over to the material I want to cut. And in this particular case, because I'm cutting in individual material, I'm going to set a soft home. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to select this because now I've set my home. Select my part that I want to cut. I'm going to validate the job, and it's asking me okay to start. Now I hit button. It's going to send material. It's going to check the purge, and now it's going to cut the part. Very easy to operate. It's very user-friendly. If there's any questions that you guys have after you watch this video, I realize this is not as professional as it should be, but you want to get something in your hands, you can see the machine. Any questions you have while showing this in your meeting, please continue to give us a call. We thank you very much for allowing us to show you our machine, give you a little information as to how the machine is built, and again, thank you very much for having me.